So this is our next exercise 13a. So first problem, first one, x minus 4 equal to 8. This is the given equation. What we have to do? We have to find the value of the x and we have to verify that one by substituting the value again in the given equation. Okay, see here. So to find, here our main purpose is to have x only. We have to eliminate this minus 4. What we have to do? So x minus 4, to eliminate this minus 4, I am adding plus 4 here. So in the left hand side, this is LHS. So this is LHS and this is RHS. So whatever we do in the left hand side, we have to do the same thing in the right HS, that is right hand side also. So here we have added plus, we have added 4 here. So the same thing we have to do. Here what is the operation we are doing here? Addition. Okay. So this plus 4 minus 4 will be cancelled and you will get here only x. That is equal to 8 plus 4 how much? 12. Now whatever you got here, you got the value of the x here, that is plus 12. So again verify this one, verification. We have to verify this value whether we have whatever we find this one, this is correct or not. So x is equal to 12. Substitute x is equal to 12 in the given equation, that is x minus 4 equal to 8. So x minus 4 equal to 8. Whatever one, 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8. What is this one? 12 minus 4? 8. That is equal to 8. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So like this, you have to solve all the problems. So first what you have to do? We have to use either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division equation. That is to find out the value of the particular variable. Here I am doing addition. After that, after finding the value of x, again you have to recheck this value by substituting this value in the given equation. You have to do this one. Last, LHS, you have to make this possible. LHS equal to RHS. Right? Okay. See the next one. So this is the problem they have given, x plus 7 equal to 2. Now what we have to do? We have to eliminate this plus 7. So for that what we have to do? We have to subtract minus 7. So the same thing you have to do for the right hand side also. Okay. So what is the operation we have done here? Subtraction. Okay, after doing this one, what you get here? This plus 7 minus 7 will be cancelled. You will get x only here. That is equal to 2 minus 7. What you get here? Minus 5. So this is your x value. So we have to verify this one, whether we correctly find the value or not. Verification. What to do here? Division. That is x plus 7 equal to 2. Replace this x here with minus 5. Minus 5 plus 7 equal to 2. Minus 5 plus 7. So always you will get bigger number sign. That is plus 7 minus 5 you get 2. So LHS equal to RHS. Right hand side equal to left hand side. Now see this problem. What they have given here? Z minus 5 equal to minus 8. Here what we have to do? To find the value, we have to eliminate this minus 5. Value of z, we have to eliminate this minus 5. So for this one we need to add plus 5 here. On the both sides you have to add plus 5. So this minus 5 plus 5 will be cancelled. You will get z here. Now minus 8 plus 5, always bigger number sign you get here. Minus 8 plus 5 means minus 3. You got the value of z here, that is minus 3. Now what to do? Verify this one. Verification. Substitute z equal to minus 3 in the given equation, z minus 5 equal to 8. Okay, Z minus 5 equal to minus 8. Now see Z minus 5 equal to minus 8. Substitute minus Z value, that is minus 3. So what you get here? Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. That is equal to minus 8. So LHS equal to RHS. Understood now? Okay. See the next problem, y by 2 equal to minus 4. So here they have given, here 2 is dividing here. Okay, we have to eliminate this 2. So to find the value of y, you have to eliminate this 2. Here 2 is dividing. So if you multiply with the 2 here in the numerator, you can cancel this 2. See this one? So y by 2 equal to minus 4. This is what they have given. So to eliminate this 2 that is in the denominator, we have to multiply the numerator also with 2. So this 2 we have to multiply on the right hand side also. Here what is the operation we are doing here? Multiplication. Multiplication. Now see what happens. Here 2 will be cancelled. You will get y only. So y equal to 2 into 4, that is equal to minus 8 minus 4. So you got the value of y here, y equal to minus 8. Verify this one now, whether you got a right answer or not. Verification. Now see, substitute. The value of y equal to minus 8 in the given equation, that is y by 2 equal to minus 4. Substitute this value, y by 2 minus equal to minus 4 implies what you get here in the place of y? Minus 8 by 2, that equal to minus 4. What you get here? 2 ones, 2 fours. What you get here? Minus 4 equal to minus 4. So LHS equal to RHS. You got the right answer here? Yes? Okay. Here 2x by 4 equal to minus 3. That is they have given here. Now what to do? We have to eliminate this 4. That is 2 by 4. We have to eliminate 2 by 4. What to do for this one? First we will eliminate this 4. Or you can simplify this one and then you can do the as usual process here. Okay. So to eliminate this 4, what to do? We have to multiply with 4 or simply cancel this one. 1 by 2, 2 ones, 2 twos. What you get here? X by 2 equal to 3. X by 2 equal to 3. So, but we will do this process again. Okay? One by one we will eliminate this one so that you can understand more clearly. So, first to remove this 4, what we have to do? We have to multiply on the right hand side and on the left hand side with 4. Now this 4 will be cancelled. You will get 2x here. 2x equal to 4 3s 12. Now what to do? You have to remove this 2 also. Here 2 is what it is doing here? Multiplying this x here. Okay? Multiplication. Now here see this one. So to remove this 2, we have to divide with 2 on both sides. So division. Now what will you get here? 2 will be cancelled. X is equal to 2 ones, 2 6. So your answer is here 6. Now verify this one. Substitute x is equal to 6 in 2x by 4 equal to 3. Okay, substitute this value 2x by 4 equal to 3 by replacing x by 6. What you get here? So 2 ones, 2 twos and 2 ones, 2 threes. Okay? Or 2 into 6, you get here 12 by 4. Again you will get here 4 threes. You will get 3 only. 3 equal to 3. So LHS equal to RHS. Whatever you find here, that is x value here, that is right. Understood? Okay. So next problem is first one, 2x equal to 10. So here 2, what it is doing here? It is multiplying here. Now to eliminate this one, we have to divide with 2. Then only we can remove this 2 here. Okay, 2x by 2. That is equal to 10 by 2. What is the operation here? Division. So we have divided the equation with 2 on both sides. Now see, 2 will be cancelled. You will get x only here on the left hand side. On the right hand side, observe this one, 2 1s, 2 5s. What you get here? 5. Now what to do? Verify this answer. So substitute x is equal to 5 in 2x equal to 10. So x is equal to 5. Substitute in 2x equal to 10. What you get here? In place of x, place the value, that is 5. So 2 5s, 10. That is equal to 10. So LHS equal to RHS. Understood? Okay. So next problem is 3x minus 5 equal to 4. What to do here? We have to eliminate this 5 first. So to find the value of x, we have to eliminate this 5 first. After that, we have to eliminate this 3 also. So first we will concentrate on minus 5. What to do here? So to eliminate this minus 5, I will add plus 5. Okay, what is the operation I am doing here? Addition. Now what you get here? Plus 5 minus 5 will be cancelled. You get 3x, that is equal to 5 plus 4, 9. Now again what to do? We have to eliminate this 3 also. So for this one, I will divide with 3 on both sides. What is the operation here? Division. Or division by 3. Okay. Now see, 3 1s will be cancelled. 3 1s, 3 3s. 3 3s, 9. So x is equal to what you get here? Your answer is 3. X is equal to 3. Now verify this one by substituting the value of x. Verification. So substitute x equal to 3 in 3x minus 5 equal to 4. What you get here? 3x minus 5 equal to 4. Since x is equal to 3, place this one in place of x. I am writing here 3 3s, 9 minus 5 equal to 4. What is 9 minus 5? 4. That equal to this only, 4. So LHS equal to RHS. Very good, right? Next problem is 4y plus 5 equal to minus 3. So to find the value of y, we have to eliminate this 5 first. After that, we have to eliminate this 4. After that, we have to eliminate this 4. First, we will concentrate on 5. So 4y plus 5 is equal to minus 3. To remove this plus 5, so I am subtracting minus 5. So on both sides, subtract minus 5. What you get here? This plus 5 minus 5 will be cancelled. 4y is equal to minus 8. Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Now what to do? We have to eliminate this 4 also. For that one, what to do? Divide. Divide by 4. What you get here? Divide by 4 on both sides. 4 1s, 4 1s, 4 will be cancelled. Here on the right hand side, 4 1s, 4 2s. What you get here? Y is equal to minus 2. Now verify this one. Verify this one. See this verification. So substitute y equal to minus 2 in the given equation. Plus 5 equal to minus 3. See here, 4y plus 5 equal to minus 3. Again place this value. Y in the place of y, I am writing minus 2. Next, as usual, do 4 into 2, 8. Minus 8 plus 5, you get here minus 3. What you get here? Minus 8 plus 5, minus 3. That equal to minus 3. So LHS equal to RHS. Understood? This is the way you have to do. First you have to find out, you have to eliminate the constant terms After that, you have to find out the value of the variable. After finding this one, we have to verify this one. Again, replacing the variable value in the given equation. Okay. Thank you.